Hello my dear friends, welcome to YoKidz. Today we will learn how to draw a turkey in a very simple way. So first of all we will draw a circle like this. Remember to not join these 2 points. After that we will draw 2 small lines for neck. Then we will draw a curve like this on the left side. And same on the right side like this. Then we will join these 2 points. And same on the right side like this. Moving toward the bottom area, we will draw 2 lines like this. And then we will draw W shape in between. Then we will draw the legs of turkey. Making some feather design in between. And same on the hands. For face, we will draw a heart inside this circle. Moving towards to draw eyes. Then we will draw a worm inside the mouth of a turkey. Making some hairs. Then we will draw the wings by making some semicircles shape like this. And at last we will color the turkey. So we have completed our turkey drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If so, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next video.